Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to view your Safari web browser history. Let's get started. This is pretty simple steps. Just open your Safari web browser first. On your top side, you can see here history. It is written history here. Just click on history. Now again under history, click on show all history. As you can see here, my history is on my screen. By clicking on the day and time here, just click this arrow here and you can see what I have searched on that date. And if you want to clear your history, what you have to do, just select here clear history. Now you want to clear today history or yesterday history and all that. If you want to clear all history, just select all history and click clear history here. As you can see, my history is deleted. There's one more shortcut to open your history on Safari browser. Cancel this first, open again Safari. What you have to do, just press Command plus Y. As you can see, my history page is open on my Safari. These are the pretty simple steps to clear your web history, view your web history in Safari. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.